Well, what's up, everybody? This one is for the real ones. How bad do you want it? I always try to figure out a way how I could try to climb my way ahead. And this is how I hack the PDT. It's after midnight. You can see our trade activity is blank. So all of these orders that filled on the buy side, I will put sell orders in, and magically delicious can happen at 4 a.m. So just a little bit of extra effort can yield exponentially more returns. So Comcast here, let's go to the spreadsheet. Add these up, divide by 2, that gets you an average. I'm going to take that number times 1.01. I'm tired, so just going to let the calculator do the magic, but pause the video. Do that math for yourself. And don't get discouraged if your price is far away from current price as far as your sell goes, because strange things happen in the after hours. And when none of the stores are open, people pay more. EWBC here. $431. We're just going to rip through this. Shouldn't take long. Really whippy spreads here, so be careful. Make sure you type the wrong number in, or it will allow you to lose money. It is set up to trap you. Until canceled, extended hours, always a limit order. And I'm excited to do the video already at the close to let you folks see how this works. 1994 times 1.01. Same thing, I just rinse and repeat, but it works. May not be the most exciting to some people, but to me, not working is pretty exciting. If you just like working, then by all means, do something more exciting. I'm just ripping this, bring you along with me. If you appreciate it, let me know down below in the comment section. Leave a like, make sure you're subscribed and all that jazz, because you're not going to want to miss this. This account is going to go crazy. And it's fun because I did it with my main account already. So, spoiler alert, I know this works. I'm just showing you. MTB. Looks like we still had plenty of buying power too. I'm not exactly sure how the numbers are reflected as far as the buy orders that we have in that did not fill. I would assume that we're pretty close to our max here. But like I said, I'm willing to fail a little bit in order to learn. So, okay. Very simple. It's take no time at all. But proof of the pudding, I do eat my own cooking. This is what I do. Take care of the main account as well. And looking forward to sharing maybe some more of that stuff too. PNC, oh, this is a big boy. For this account anyway. you do some research on ATR, you'll see why this strategy works at a high frequency. Maybe not the most profitable, but a very high win rate, because stocks do not move in a straight line. They wiggle. And it was very cool to do the video earlier and see some of these stocks that we have bought and sold, watch them go down and get right back in, because they're good companies. We vetted out the financials through the screener at a very basic level, not a deep dive research by any means, but the purpose is not to hold these forever. That will be eventually what we grow the investment account into, and that will be exciting to share with you as well. Western Alliance. Giving my tired mind a break. Just using the calculator, so I don't have to think too much. Limit order good till cancel with the extended hours. And last but not least, Zion. We've got a bunch of the regional small banks. I'm not a fan of these. Banks as a sector overall carry a lower PE, but the growth rate is typically much smaller. But they fit the system. I created a black and white system, so I don't have to think. I just have to execute. So they fit the system. We're in. Worst case scenario, we get dividends and the deposits hit and we buy other stuff. So it's not really a big deal. But that's what we have. It was 7 minutes. And a lot of these will probably sell. Look, the whole thing is for sale. We keep flipping the entire account. We can exponentially outperform the market. So people who say the average person cannot beat the stock market are stupid people. So please do not listen to them. But you must have discipline. You must have a plan. And you must be consistent every single day, forever. So I hope this is helpful to you. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing here to beat the markets. And it works because you can see it every day. So I hope it's helpful to you, but you got to make your own trading plan. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you after close.